Welcome to the Whissel Beer Group office in Rancho Bernardo, where buying and selling real estate feels simple, comfortable, and supported. Our office is easy to find, located on Bernardo Center Drive, with plenty of free parking in the surrounding lots. Just look for the Beer Home Team sign above the doors. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the difference. Our space is designed to be welcoming and relaxed, with comfortable seating areas and private conference rooms where you can meet one-on-one with your agent. We've built this office with you in mind, blending modern style with a warm, professional atmosphere that makes your real estate journey feel less stressful and more enjoyable. Whether you're here to talk through your next move, review options, or simply grab a coffee, this space is about making you feel at home while we handle the details. At Whissel Beer Group, it's not just about doing a transaction, it's about building a relationship. This office is where those conversations begin and where we work together to help you take the next step with confidence. We look forward to welcoming you to our Rancho Bernardo office and being part of your real estate story.